check your attendance first. Arista?
Yes.
Siva?
Yes.
Fajar?
Yes.
Bima? Irma? Yanti?
Yes.
Nindya? Febda?
Yes, Miss.
Elsa?
Yes, Miss.
Vanessa?
Yes, Miss.
Hasi?
Yes, Miss.
Sarah?
Yes.
Nabila?
Yes.
Widya?
Yes, Miss.
Pepi?
Yes, Miss.
Halo?
Yes, Miss.
Oke. Oke, class. How about we do play a game for warm our body?
What game is?
Okay, ready?
Mobile Legends.
No, this game. The game is yes, no, stand up. I will give you a random question. If your answer yes, you must be stand up. But if your answer no, you must be sit down.
Okay.
Understand?
Clearly understand this.
You ready?
Yes.
Uh, do you have a cat?
Apa ya?
No.
Yes.
Yes.
No.
All the yes. Yes.
I only have chick.
Do you like reading books? Yes.
Yes.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, Miss.
Upin Ipin. Are you happy now? Why no? Good job, we will start this class. Before that, have you ever read a fairy tale or read another storybook?
Yes.
Do you think read storybook is fun?
Definitely. Of course.
Okay. What storybook do you like, Fajar?
Storybook.
Storybook do you like?
Previously like no, not comic. Novel. Novel things.
Okay. We will start. So in this meeting, we will learn about narrative text. What is narrative text? Narrative text is kind of text to retell the imagination or factual story that past tense. Jadi, teks naratif ini adalah jenis teks imajinasi atau faktual pada masa lalu yang dijabarkan secara berbentuk. Okay. This is a genre of narrative text. One is fable. Fable adalah cerita yang mengisahkan tentang binatang. Contohnya seperti kancil, seperti apa lagi? Next is my Legend class. Oke, next is legend. Oke, jadi ini adalah cerita rakyat yang mengisahkan asal usul dari sebuah tempat. Ya, betul. Apalagi selain tebak tebak. Next is fairy tale atau dongeng. So ini adalah cerita anak-anak yang mengandung unsur keajaiban terhadap para tokoh dan terdapat kesan moral. Do you like fairy tale? Misteri kita nih.
Doraemon.
The next is folktale. Folktale ini juga sama saja cerita rakyat. Namun folktale ini cerita yang diceritakan turun temurun sehingga menjadi tradisi masyarakat. Contohnya seperti Manis Sendang, Angin di Lumut.
Itu yang 1000 candi apa?
Ya, itu. Selanjutnya ada love story atau cerita-cerita. Siapa yang di sini suka cerita cinta? Video pacarnya udah finish.
Masih SMP nggak boleh.
Mariposa.
Oh my god.
Jodoh pilihan juga. Catatan hati sinetron Indo. Oke, nah, selain genre yang tadi itu ada tadi seperti science fiction, horror, story, slice of life, and personal experience. Kita move ke generic structure of text narrative. Generic structure of text narrative ada 3, yaitu orientation, complication, and resolution. One is orientation. Orientation it sets the scene and introduce the participant. Di bagian orientasi ini biasanya mengenalkan karakter-karakter dari cerita dan tempat serta waktu kejadian tersebut. Yang kedua adalah complication. Complication tells the problem of the story and how the main characters solve them. This part includes situation, activities, and or even it shows when the crisis arrives. Complication ini adalah bagian di mana masalah itu muncul dan masalah itu akan menjadi klimaks. Di sini biasanya karakter utama akan lebih sering terlibat untuk menyelesaikan masalah tersebut. Terakhir ada resolution. Resolution, the crisis is resolved for better or worse. It shows the end of the story, usually a happy ending. Jadi resolution ini adalah bagian akhir dari cerita. Nah, ini tuh bisa juga menjadi solusi dari masalah cerita tadi. Solusinya itu bisa dapat menjadi lebih baik atau lebih buruk. Nah, inilah yang akan menjadi akhir cerita tersebut menjadi happy ending atau sebaliknya. Selain beberapa struktur teks tadi, juga terdapat struktur teks lainnya yang bersifat opsional atau boleh ada atau boleh tidak ada. Contohnya seperti evaluation, kode, and reorientation. Evaluation, the stepping back to evaluate the story or the moral message of the story. Evaluasi ini adalah untuk mengulang cerita For the change of the character of lesson or value of the story of the character of the story. Nah, adanya metode ini merupakan perubahan nilai atau pelajaran dari cerita. Yang terakhir adalah reorientation. Reorientation, the ending of the story. Reorientation ini menyatakan kesimpulan akhir dari cerita. Nah, mari kita lihat penerapan pada teks. Di sini pada paragraf pertama dan kedua itu menceritakan tentang tokoh utama dan kegiatan sehari-hari tokoh utama, lalu pertemuannya dengan istrinya dan memiliki janji kepada istrinya, membuat janji seperti itu. Di paragraf ini biasanya disebut orientation. Pada paragraf selanjutnya yaitu ketiga dan keempat itu menceritakan kehidupan sehari-hari tokoh utama bersama dengan keluarganya. Nah, di sini masalah biasanya sudah mulai muncul. Seperti di sini masalahnya tokoh utama marah kepada anaknya karena iya. Lalu setelah itu papanya bilang ih kamu dasar anak ikan. Di sini sudah terjadi masalah sampai istrinya mengetahui lalu tidak memaafkan dan ini disebut complication. Lalu pada paragraf terakhir di sini tuh akibat dari pelanggaran janji yang dilanggar oleh tokoh utama, yaitu ada yang tahu akibatnya apa? Jadi indah lalu gunungnya meletus dan tanahnya lalu jadi bahasa ada kita lainnya Nah, di sini ada language features of narrative text. Language features of narrative text use adverb of time, such as once upon a time, one day, and etc. Next is specific character. The character in the story is specific, not general, such as Cinderella, Snow White, Alibaba, and etc. Next is use direct speech. It is to make the story lively. The direct speech use present tense, such as Snow White said, "My name is Snow White." Next is use of adjective to build noun groups to describe the people, animals, and things in the story, such as a nice, diligent, kind-hearted man, and etc. Next is use of time, connective, and conjunction to segue even through time, such as however, although, rather, then, and etc. Next is use of past tense, such as Achisaka went to the kingdom, measured the size of the turban, and etc. Next is use of and smash. The last is use of saying and thinking verbs to indicate what characters are feeling, thinking, or saying. Example: hope, realize, and decide. Let's see example of narrative text. once. And this, ada yang tahu ini apa? Language systemnya specific characters. Language feature use direct speech is you behave exactly like the daughter of a fish. Use of adjective-nya beautiful, angry, and no. Use time connective and conjunction is as soon as, however, although,
Later,
and
then, and so.
use of past tense is like,
Live in.
told,
Told. Agreed.
married,
Agreed, miss.
hate. No, it's consists of saying
Okay.
hate and did not and begin. Use of action verb is call. And the last use of saying and thinking verb is agree and promise. Okay. Do you understand, class?
Yes.
Any question?
No, miss. No, miss.
Now we
Practice.
and now let's practice together to writing narrative text based on your personal experience. Yeah, I will give you 5 minutes to write your personal experience. 5 minutes. Pengalaman pribadi. Can one of you come forward to show your story and mention your story? Please come forward.
Jangan malu-malu.
Jadi kamu baca, terus kamu mention ini. Kalau ada di cerita kamu mention language features-nya. Kemudian ini maksudnya gimana? Ya. Mention language feature.
The title is The Lost Kitten. And one day, I found a tiny kitten in the garden. The kitten was alone and meowing softly. I gave the kitten some milk and named it Snowy. She want to find Snowy. I want to find Snowy's home. I asked my neighbor, but my neighbor didn't know where Snowy come from. I made a scene with Snowy's picture and put it on a tree. Soon a little girl saw the scene and come running. I was very happy because Snowy was her last kitten. The little girl thanks I and took Snowy home. I feel happy because I helped Snowy find her family. And then
there are one day is used as verb of time.
yes.
Terus spesifik karakternya
Kitten.
lalu use direct speech-nya terus ada lagi use of adjective-nya tadi kan Okay, thank you, baby.
Yeay.
Okay, class. I think time is up, and for others, please make a language picture from the story you made today and collect it in next week. Okay?
Okay.
So, what do you learn today?
Narrative text.